The 2027 Tesla Model Y is here, and it looks ready to take the electric SUV game to another level. In this review, we're taking a detailed look at the new Model Y in a stunning pista green color, from its exterior styling and futuristic pista green interior to performance, technology, practicality, and expected pricing. Tesla has already made the Model Y one of the world's most recognizable electric SUVs, but the 2027 version brings an even more refined personality. So, is this the electric SUV you should be watching? Let's find out. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 2027 Tesla Model Y immediately grabs attention with a cleaner, more futuristic design. The pista green paint gives the SUV a premium and distinctive appearance, especially under bright daylight. It's a color that combines a sporty attitude with an elegant personality, making the Model Y look different from the usual white, black, or gray EVs. Up front, the design remains unmistakably Tesla, but the overall appearance feels more modern and aerodynamic. The slim LED lighting elements create a sharp visual signature, while the smooth front section helps reduce unnecessary aerodynamic resistance. Instead of a traditional grille, Tesla uses a clean, almost seamless front design, reminding you that this SUV was engineered from the beginning as an electric vehicle. Moving toward the side, the 2027 Model Y maintains its sleek crossover profile. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a sporty silhouette without sacrificing the practicality expected from an SUV. The pista green body color works beautifully with the sculpted panels, while the flush door handles add to the clean, high-tech appearance. Large alloy wheels give the Model Y a confident road presence, and the aerodynamic design around the wheels helps complement the vehicle's efficiency-focused engineering. The side windows remain sleek, and the glass roof gives the cabin a spacious appearance from outside. At the rear, the Model Y continues its minimalist design philosophy. The LED taillights provide a distinctive nighttime signature, while the smooth tailgate and carefully shaped rear body help improve aerodynamic efficiency. There are no unnecessary styling details here. Everything looks clean, modern, and purposeful. Interior. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 Tesla Model Y really shows its technology-focused character. The cabin features a minimalist layout with very few traditional buttons and switches. Instead, the interior revolves around digital controls and a large central display. The pista green theme can be complemented by a sophisticated interior treatment, creating a cabin that feels modern without becoming overly complicated. The dashboard has a clean, horizontal design, helping make the cabin feel spacious. Materials and surfaces are designed to provide a more premium atmosphere, while the seats focus on comfort for both daily commuting and longer journeys. One of the biggest advantages of the Model Y is the sense of space. Because an electric vehicle doesn't need a traditional internal combustion engine layout, Tesla has been able to use the cabin and storage areas efficiently. Passengers get useful headroom and legroom, while the rear seating area remains practical for everyday family use. Technology is naturally one of the main attractions. The central touchscreen acts as the control center for many vehicle functions, entertainment features, navigation, climate controls, and connectivity. Tesla's software-focused approach means the experience can continue evolving through updates. The cabin also benefits from a bright, open feeling, with the panoramic glass roof adding to the sense of space. Whether you're driving through a city or taking a long highway trip, the Model Y interior is designed to feel calm, modern, and highly digital. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The 2027 Tesla Model Y is expected to continue offering different configurations, giving buyers a choice between efficiency, range, and stronger performance. Depending on the version, the dual-motor all-wheel drive setup can provide impressive traction and rapid acceleration. That instant electric torque is one of the biggest advantages of driving a Tesla. Press the accelerator and power arrives immediately, without waiting for a traditional transmission to shift gears. The result is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick acceleration. The performance-focused versions should appeal to drivers who want their family SUV to feel genuinely sporty. Acceleration can be extremely strong, while all-wheel drive helps maintain traction in different road conditions. But performance isn't the only story. Efficiency is just as important. The Model Y's aerodynamic body, electric powertrain, regenerative braking, and software optimization all work together to reduce energy consumption. For everyday driving, the Model Y can feel effortless. Around town, the instant response makes it easy to merge into traffic, while on highways, the quiet electric powertrain creates a relaxed driving experience. Handling is also an important part of the Model Y's character. The battery is positioned low in the vehicle, helping lower the center of gravity. This can make the SUV feel more stable through corners compared with a traditional high-riding vehicle. Of course, real-world range will depend on the specific battery, configuration, weather, speed, traffic, and driving style. So while official range figures are useful, buyers should always consider how they actually use their vehicle. Price. Now let's discuss the price. The final 2027 Tesla Model Y pricing will depend on the market, battery configuration, drivetrain, equipment, and Tesla's pricing strategy at the time of launch. Different versions can have significantly different prices, so buyers should check the latest official pricing before placing an order. The entry-level version should target customers who want the Model Y experience at a lower price, while longer-range and performance-oriented versions will naturally cost more. And this is where the Model Y becomes interesting. You're not simply paying for acceleration. You're also getting a modern electric powertrain, advanced software, a spacious SUV body, charging capability, and a technology-heavy ownership experience. So, is the 2027 Tesla Model Y worth considering? If you want an electric SUV that combines futuristic styling, strong performance, useful interior space, modern technology, and the convenience of an electric powertrain, the Model Y remains a compelling package. And in Pista Green, it looks especially distinctive. The color gives the familiar Tesla shape a fresh identity, while the redesigned details make the SUV feel more modern and premium. The biggest strengths are its instant electric performance, aerodynamic design, spacious cabin, technology, practicality, and potential efficiency. The main considerations will be pricing, charging access, software-focused controls, and choosing the right version for your range and performance needs. Overall, the 2027 Tesla Model Y represents the next step in Tesla's popular electric SUV formula. It doesn't need to reinvent the entire category because the basic recipe already works. Make it efficient, quick, practical, technologically advanced, and easy to live with. If Tesla gets the balance of price, range, comfort, and performance right, this Pista Green Model Y could be one of the most interesting electric SUVs to watch in the 2027 market. And that brings us to the end of this full review. What do you think about the 2027 Tesla Model Y in Pista Green? Would you choose this over another electric SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more upcoming car reviews.